Good morning. Oh, is it afternoon? Good afternoon, y'all. Today is what, day 6, I think, of the semi-annual sale. Also, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girls? Y'all see, I'm on the passenger side today. Normally, y'all know I be driving, but I'm just saying. But welcome. I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching everything: vlogs, reviews, hauls, sip and chat, walkthroughs. I mean, like everything. Also following me on Instagram. Don't forget to use my hashtag KimbleLitWick or KimbleLitWicks. If you doing all that, you are my MVP. My MVP. Come on, baby. My MVP. My MVP. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Now, y'all, we're here at the at Bath and Body Works, and y'all know well, you probably don't know, but GameStop is next door. We're gonna take back this PlayStation 5 because the kid did not want it. How you feel about that, Damon? The fact that he didn't want the game?
I understand, because he been playing the Xbox forever, so that's all he like is the Xbox. He didn't even get a PlayStation a chance. But
yeah, right, that's true.
How it is.
But I feel like that's ungrateful. That's what I feel. But I'm glad he did say that he didn't want it, because it's a lot of money. So we're able to take it back, return it, and then we did get him the Xbox. I did buy the Oculus, whatever it's called, the VR system. Amazing. Oh my gosh, if y'all know somebody that has the VR system, the Oculus system, amazing, next level system. Oh my goodness. I have not played any games, but I did do like some videos or whatever. It's amazing. It's amazing. I've been trying to get Damon to try it, but for some reason he acting a little stank about it. So I don't know. But little Damon, he tried it, and he was so amazed. I'm telling y'all, it is really, really nice. But like I said, today is day 5 or 6 for semi-annual sale. So I'm gonna run in here real quick just to see what this store have. It ain't gonna be a whole long drawn out type of thing, but we gotta go inside of GameStop and grab our return or our money back, and and then I'm gonna hop into is this mine? Yeah, that is mine. And then I'm gonna go into Bath and Body Works just to see real quick what they have. It's not gonna be long. My mask and my thing right here. So yeah, let's head on in here and get my money back, because it ain't $800 a lot of money. So well, actually we paid $950, so let me go get my money. Once again, that IKEA bag is coming in handy. Boy, that was a perfect purchase. I'm so glad I bought that bag, and it was only $1. You cannot beat it. Oh, did I pay 50 cents? I can't remember, but super cheap. Perfect find. Y'all see GameStop, and look what's next door, Bath and Body Works. So you know, I'm gonna head up in there once we go in here. I let the husband handle that GameStop stuff, because I wanted to head to Bath and Body Works to see what was on the markdown tables. Cute bag. That's a cute Louis Vuitton bag that lady has on. But as y'all do see, the stuff is now 75%. My beloved Honey Wildflower is 75% now. But of course, they don't have anything that I really want. They don't have any body wash. They don't have the perfume or the scrub. They don't have anything. So yeah. But I was happy to see that it was finally marked down to 75%. So now I'm just walking the store just to see all of the items, see what they have new. And it's just really the same stuff.
I spy with my little eye something that does not supposed to be 75% off. Leave in the comments if you spot the item that I'm talking about, even though I'm getting ready to show it in a minute. But leave in the comments, let me know, do you spot what I spot? Do you see what I see?
Excuse me. This stuff 75% off too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So now I moved on to the 50% candles. As you see, this store has a lot of candles, but as you see, it's a lot of the same candle. That pumpkin creme candle, the Mary cookie candle, things like that. They don't have a big variety of candles, but they do have a couple of scents. That's a lot of them, as you see with this Mary cookie candle, and this, I think that's that pumpkin candle, I'm not sure. But yeah, I didn't see anything that I wanted, so I just kind of looked and recorded it because I didn't want none of that. So these 650 candles, single wick candles, is not moving. Nobody's buying those. Yep, nobody's buying them. And more 50% items. This is that summertime surf collection. It's not really moving in my area. I'm not sure why. I do have the summer surf that I got with rewards before the semi-annual, but I have not used that yet, so I couldn't even tell you if it's good or bad.
Just leaving out of Sam's, on our way to Costco's. Sam's had a lot of clearance stuff. Pretty good bargains here at Sam's. Let me show y'all the haul. Look at this, y'all. This shirt, I haven't did a haul. I haven't did a haul like this in a while, showing y'all Sam's clearance. This has been probably almost a year, maybe 2 years since I did this. But this shirt, y'all can really see that. Plain black shirt with the puff sleeves, like at the shoulder part. $4.81. Textured leggings, $4.81. Moto leggings. Y'all know your girl thick, so size large. $5. Black moto leggings, $5. Burgundy moto, I guess that's what they call it, yeah. $5. I guess I could have took my mask off. Backpack, I think this was what, 50% off? Backpack, regular 25 or 24, $12. It's actually really, really nice. We got this for Damon for next year for school. Wasn't bad at all. So that's basically all the clothes I got, but we did get some stuff for, y'all already know. Yes. So now headed to Costco's. Costco's don't never have no deals. So don't even expect to find no clearance at Costco's, because it ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen at all. But Sam's, if you go to the right Sam's, you most definitely could find a lot of clearance items. But Costco's, not as many. I got that stuff from Sam's, super good deal. You can always find different clearance at Sam's. I think a lot of people just don't look. Also, make sure you scan your items. Scan and go is the best thing Sam's got going for them. I absolutely love scan and go. Amazing. You, as you're shopping, you can scan your item and head out the door, show them your phone, and they'll scan your phone, and that's it. But those Moto pans were actually tagged for $8, but when I got up to the register, they rung up for $5. Super good deal. And then, like I said about this backpack, y'all, this backpack is super nice for $12. It has so many different compartments in it. Yeah, so we did grab that one. We grabbed a lot of stuff. No, I mean, not a whole lot of stuff, but we're finna head over to I need lipstick on. We're finna head over to Costco, and then this thing needs to be charged. Yeah, I just realized I forgot to show y'all what I got. A little bitty bag that I got from Bath & Body Works. Super little, but I only got like 4 things. I grabbed the Honey Wildflower body cream because of course it was 75% off. I actually grabbed 2. And I showed y'all inside the store that they had this new item on the 75% table. It don't have any scent notes, so I cannot tell you the scent notes, but this is the new whipped, what's the name of it? Whipped berry meringue. Whipped berry meringue in the minis. It's nice. Most definitely smell very creamy and berry. So yes, I actually grabbed 2. Why not? 75% off. That was their mistake. I asked the young lady like 2 or 3 times, was she sure that these were supposed to be on the 75% rack? And she said yeah. So once I got up to the register, then the lady was like, oh, these aren't 75%. No, they actually rung up $8.50. They rung up $8.50, and I told her, I'm like, no, these supposed to be 75%. There's tons over there. And so they was like, okay, we'll just have to give them to you for the 75% off, but they're not even supposed to be out yet. So right there tells you that, well, we already know they got the stuff in the back. We already know that. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Let me know, what have you been finding at the stores? I think this is like day 5 or 6, might be 6. So yeah, are you still finding goodies? That's funny. Are you still finding goodies, or have you just gave up and you're done with semi-annual sales? So leave that in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Follow your girl on Instagram, as well as follow my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wicks. You can either use it or follow. And I guess I will see y'all in the next one. Also, don't forget to hit that bell. See y'all in the next one. All right, peace.